Every trip, meeting, or casual chat can slip into silence when language gets in the way. Many still worry about misunderstanding directions, lectures, or emotions mid-conversation. The InnAIO AI Translator T10 steps into that gap. Small, polished, and built for connection, it turns hesitation into flow, making shared moments clearer. A device designed not for perfection, but for the comfort of being understood. Well, the T10 weighs about 30 grams and attaches magnetically to iPhones or tablets without bulk. Its matte finish feels firm yet light, while USB-C charging keeps things simple. Pairing with the InnAIO Pro application takes less than a minute. Select languages, clone your voice, and it's ready. No confusing menus or extra steps. Battery life lasts around 15 hours of continuous speech and over 3 months on standby, so it fits long journeys and busy work days without needing constant care. Conversations feel effortless once it starts. Speech flows through 130 languages and roughly 0.3 second latency. Words appear almost in sync with the speaker, keeping dialogue smooth and natural. Accents and background noise are handled with surprising accuracy, even in cafes or stations where sound competes.
一个是横屏，一个是竖屏。
One is a horizontal screen, and the other is a vertical screen.
No, I didn't mean that. I mean portrait photos of a person. Do you know what is that? Can you take good portrait photos of models?
不，我不是那个意思，我指的是一个人的肖像照片。你知道那是什么吗？你能拍出模特的人像照吗？
The real-time translation function feels more like a conversation than a translation, which is also fit for meetings, lectures, speeches, etc.
Hey, bist du schon mit der Arbeit fertig? Kannst du nicht zuerst deine Arbeit machen?
Gracias. ¿Cómo está? ¿Está bien?
Hör auf damit, mach deine Arbeit.
Face-to-face mode lets both sides see and hear their own languages instantly. Voices alternate like subtitles in motion, bridging tone and emotion together. Each chat is saved as text, so important lines can be reviewed later. The experience stays human, even when technology stands between the words.
我看你很自信。那你有没有做过类似的事情呢？
是的，我干这个好几年了。
Yes, I've been doing this for several years.
Okay, so do you know what's the difference between portrait photos and landscape photos? Have you ever taken landscape photos or portrait photos of different people?
好的，那么你知道人像照片和风景照片有什么区别吗？你拍过不同人物的风景照片或人像照片吗？
The InnAIO Pro application is where everything connects. Its interface shows cross-application, real-time, call translation, and voice cloning in one clean dashboard. Cross-application works inside messenger apps like WhatsApp or WeChat. Just hold the translator icon to speak, and the text appears instantly. No application switching, no manual copying.
Hey, what are you doing now?
嘿，你现在在做什么？嘿，你现在在做什么？
For calls, choose live subtitles or voice for instant speech-to-speech. Both keep the dialogue flowing without lag or repetition. Yeah, it supports 130 languages in phone calls. Voice cloning adds a personal layer. Record within 60 seconds of clear audio, and the system recreates the same tone across multiple languages. Hearing a familiar voice speak fluent Japanese or Spanish feels remarkably real.
今日は天気がいいので一緒に散歩に行こう。
The application makes advanced AI feel intuitive, something that just works quietly behind each conversation. Well, let's talk about something different. Point the camera at a menu, document, or street sign, and translation appears over the image within seconds. The AI recognizes angled text and stylized fonts with ease. Photo translation feels especially useful for travel or daily tasks abroad, as the overlay keeps both languages visible on screen. Text mode lets words be typed or spoken directly into the app for quick notes, emails, or captions. Meeting mode records group discussions and creates instant transcriptions for later reference. It even summarizes points into AI mind maps to track decisions and actions. Files can be saved as audio or text, useful for study, projects, and international work. It turns spoken ideas into organized records without manual effort. Offline translation covers common language pairs and runs smoothly without network support, ideal for flights or remote areas. The function will expand further through an update in November 2025. Oh yeah, all instructions are stored securely and can be accessed only from the application. That gives me more secure feel. Yeah. Well, automatic software improvements enhance accuracy over time so that T10 quietly learns from real use and grows smarter with every conversation. Finally, okay, InnAIO T10 is a pocket translator that feels alive in every conversation. It translates, summarizes, and remembers with ease. Light, precise, and designed for human connection, it turns languages into shared moments. Well, I have left a link to this InnAIO T10 AI translator in the description box. Go ahead, check this amazing product. But before that, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.